morning, gangsters. Happy Monday. We survived. We survived the weekend. We're back. We're happy. We're excited to be here. We forgot to turn our light on. Man, and we're in the Airstream again, obviously. We're obviously in the Airstream again. It looks like it's going to pour outside. I wanted to be with the goats today. Hey, Miguel. Good morning, good sir. Man, Miguel, we got something cooking in the background, bud. We got something cooking. And I can't even talk about it yet, because I don't want to jinx it. But it's something that would be one of the most insanely exciting things that has happened to me in the last couple of years. So we'll see. We'll friggin' see, bud. It's 9:28. We got 2 minutes before market opens. We do still have this gap. We never filled the gap from last night. We opened up. We got really stinking close. We got all the way up here to 30,041, but we did not technically fill that gap. They just got everybody teased for the Asian session. Pop, 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 pop. Just a friggin' rug pull them too. So we got to be a little bit careful today. Obviously, we've been selling off ever since Friday, technically. But you know the market, especially it being a Monday, are we going to tease that gap fill again? We also have 30,000. 30,000 is obviously a pretty important level. That gap fill will be a pretty important level, but we've been selling up. So let's see. We have the London low underneath us all the way down here, 29,650 basically. Asian low all the way down here, 29,547. I don't think I see any obvious candles without wicks on the 1 hour or anything like that. ES is basically doing the same thing that we're doing. And here we go. What do we go to? 734. Almost a 75-point drop so far. We should find a little bit of support right here. We essentially wicked through our trend line on the 5-minute just to get a nice little push back up here. We do have our EMAs curling down, but they're separating okay. Hey, Miguel. I know, man. Maybe in a week. Maybe in 2 weeks. We can start talking about it. NVIDIA has just a teeny tiny little gap to the upside now. So we have a gap to the upside. Hughes has a gap to the upside. Where is SpaceX? Just out of curiosity. SpaceX is down to 143. It also now has a gap to the upside as we're ripping back up. 651. Another 75 points right there. We are underneath VWAP though. 931. Still just a tad bit early. This is a creaky old chair. Alright, let's see. Still getting a little bit of a push down. ES is looking okay though. ES is still pushing up nice and strong. Hughes are still looking weak. SpaceX still looking weak. NVIDIA still looking weak. NVIDIA's at 209. Where did it end up on Friday? So we're still well above. Basically Friday, NVIDIA popped out of its orb range and then just kept popping up ever since. We're trying to get a little strength here. 931. Ooh, we got 5 seconds left of this candle. Let's see what that next candle brings. She almost seems like, at the very least, it wants to push to the 760s. We're forming just a little bit of a wedge, though. Yeah, see, basically just a perfect wedge right now. Right now, we're right at the top of that trend line, top of the wedge. Let's see if we want to break through, break out of it. If we do, then presumably the target would be like the 780s. Oh man, look at ES. ES is absolutely ripping right now. NVIDIA is absolutely ripping right now. So just honestly, based on that, we're going to try a little long here. First target would be kind of that 747. Secondary target would be up here, probably at the 780s. But let's see. Nvidia filled that gap, so hopefully that wasn't a gap fill just to trap us. 9:33. We still have 45 seconds left. See if we can't get a push up here out of this range. Something kind of like that. We're still getting wicks, though admittedly it is starting to look a little bit weaker. Looks bullish short term, says Miguel. That's what I was kind of thinking too, but Nvidia is failing me here, man. I was kind of chasing Nvidia's candle there. They filled their gap and then they sold off. So I thought when they were racing towards that gap fill, that was going to give us a nice little push up and out. If we break another low, I think we got to get out, which is getting close to happening. Let's see. Nvidia's still pushing though. Come on, Nvidia, don't fail me now. SpaceX is still kind of coming down a little. Come on, let's see. Ah, it's gonna wick right there. We might have to stop ourselves out. Nvidia has any hope? Nope. All right. What time is it? 9:34. How many seconds do we have left of this candle? That's the only thing that could potentially help us. Is if it catches the support right here, it could then do the move that we were just expecting it to do, even though our timing was obviously pretty far off. Come on, baby. Keep pushing for us. Keep pushing. Nice push up to the top of that shoulder so far. Gonna keep bringing the stops up just to potentially lessen the loss here. But let's see. If we get another green print. Come on. 9:35. EMA is still curling down. We're underneath VWAP, but Nvidia is still looking good. 10 seconds left of this candle. If we can get one more green, we should be able to push right back above this range. Let's see. Ah, too weak. Stopped out. So Qs are still selling off. SpaceX is still selling off as well. 142s now, which we might put a little order in for SpaceX. If it breaks 140s, we're going to start adding to SpaceX as well. Nvidia's still pushing, frustratingly enough. We might still get that push up. We were just a little early. I definitely didn't like that wick anyways. Man, ES is just right stuck at the top of its range. We're right at the bottom of our 5-minute orb. Qs are still looking real weak though. SpaceX still looking weak. Nvidia starting to look real weak. Shorts are starting to look like they're going to play out. So if we're going to keep going down, 620s, what would be the target? I mean, this is pretty even good support right here. The 611 is good support. Obviously 600 is good support. Otherwise we're coming down to maybe that Asian low, the 540s. Nvidia still selling off, ES still selling off. Let's see if Nvidia wants to make a new session low though, which it's about to do right now. Now that we've had a little bit of the break to the downside, I guess I kind of want to wait for a little bit of that retest first.
No rush, no pressure. Just show up, learn together. Sink or swim, we float forever.
Float forever. Getting that push back up. Here's the 9. Let's see.
Now we step up to the charts. Same kind of game. Now start futures. Step right up. Greg on the mic say, come on down.
Getting a little bit of resistance here at the 9.
Early morning, screen light glow. Future sticking which way it go. Contestants standing by the line trying to read price.
If it pushes back through the 620s, I think we're going to keep pushing down. But again, I don't really have, I mean, we have potential support points all the way around here. So 550 would be the kind of the 560, 550 would be the end all be all target, but it looks like 610 is going to have resistance, 600 is going to have resistance, 580s because the 80 is going to have resistance. Oops, still pushing, still pushing, still pushing. Nvidia's starting to form out a little bit of a bull flag though. Oh man, look at that. There's our 600s. The 9 is all the way up here at 640s. Shit. Yeah, we should have taken the short. ES still pushing, SpaceX still pushing, we're still pushing down to the 580s now. Can't really chase it now. Damn, 570s. We have 10 seconds left of this candle. Let's see what the next candle brings us. Hopefully it's not just teasing us. I don't like the Nvidia is forming a little bit of that bull flag. Same thing with ES, forming just that little bit of a bull flag.
Some see red and they feel that fear. Others see chance when the path get clear. It's all perspective, how you read that chart. Up ain't the only way to play your part. Bid too high like a wrong showcase. Now you're stuck in the losing place. But if you wait and you time that drop, you
there we go. Getting a little bit of a push. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. That's the kind of move that the pros all know. It's not always bad when the market goes down, especially if you're short, you can still wear the crown. Wow, Q still pushing down. SpaceX still pushing down. 140.83 now. Nvidia about to break through its 5-minute orb. Same thing with ES right at the bottom of its 5-minute orb as well. This is our Asian session low though. We're about to kiss 544s. So does that give us the potential turnaround point now? If not, if we push through this level, then I would say 430s would happen pretty quickly next. Then like stuff 390s, break all the way to the 100s, you know?
Yeah, man. Early morning, screens light up. Sink or swim, go live.
Let's see, let's see, let's see. Pins and needles.
Two voices rise from the scroll below.
Yep, Nvidia's still pushing down really nice. Which that stinks on that long earlier. It just filled that gap so fast. It had that huge push up to fill that gap. And then NQ just didn't follow. NQ was getting dragged down by too many other, you know, market variables. Slow down, man. I was on that side. As Greg spoke, I'm breaking down the play. They kept talking in their own small. Let's see if the 9 gives us resistance again. 640. So the 9 is basically here at the 600s. It hasn't kissed the 21 really in 10 minutes, which isn't that big of a range, but that could potentially be your stop. Put the stop up here at the 21. It's 644. We're getting just a little bit of a push up here. 5 seconds left. Brand new 5-minute candle, and this will be our 15-minute candle too. Still selling, still selling, still selling beautifully. Pushing through the range, pushing down now. Nvidia's still pushing down. We just made a new session low. Oh, keep pushing, come on. So target now would be that 5-minute pivot point that's down here, 525. We just have to be a little bit careful because again, we just set our 15-minute range. What's been happening lately is we'll create the range and then we'll whoop, go the opposite direction. So we might just end up getting stopped up there. Which we're still a little down on the day because that first trade still down 251. Qs are still pushing down nice, but they got that big old juicy gap fill above. SpaceX still down to the 140s. I think I'm going to buy a little SpaceX really quick. One sec. Oh, come on. Oh, of course, now it's starting to go back up. SpaceX, I mean. I wanted to get it in the 140s, the low 140s. Send security code. How much of a noise? SpaceX makes us, SpaceX. Man, there was a dude on the lake kneeboarding yesterday. There was like a professional kneeboarder. I've never seen a professional kneeboarder before. But this dude was blasting and actually jumping from wake to wake on a kneeboard. Never seen that before. Insane. He was getting like, without lying, you know, without being too facetious, probably like 3 feet of air or something, maybe 4 feet of air. But, you know, traveling like 10, 12 feet. It was pretty damn impressive. Damn it, SpaceX back up to 141. I really wanted to get it down in the 140s. That's alright. We'll put one order in. I'll put another order in for like a 139. Put a couple in at 139. Alright, so Qs are still selling off but starting to wick. But the wicks are pointing down, so it's not necessarily showing strength. The bodies are pushing back up, but real strong wicks down. Let's see if we can push the 600s or if we're just going to get stuck. Come on, baby. This might be a nice little push here. ES is forming a bull flag, a real ugly one. Nvidia's forming a bull flag, the same thing, a real ugly one, since it kind of sold off a little bit farther than it should have. And then we're just stair-stepping down with some big old fat reds right now. If we can break back through the 560s, potentially we'll have a little bit more downside. Here's our brand new 5-minute candle. Man, look at this, just consolidated chopping though for about 10 minutes here. Chop, 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 chop. 68. Like a 40-point chop range. Our average candle size is still 37, so it could still do some damage if you choose the wrong side. Miguel saying maybe some more downside. Yeah, man. I don't know. We're just kind of stuck. It's been 10 minutes of, 40-minute or 40-point range chop here. Look at this. Like, perfect chop. Perfect little square right here. Perfect little rectangle. How's that account doing, though, Miguel? How's that freebie? Full port the freebie? That's what Marco did. Marco full ported the freebie. It's still pushing down a little bit. Nvidia's still looking a little weak. ES is still looking a little weak. We're still looking a little weak. Let's see if we can't get one to push through this range. There's a new session low. The 5-minute pivot point again was 525, but since we broke, you'd think we kind of keep going. Miguel's calling out that little short. That little shorty short. I'm gonna try my best to get a payout with Legends. Let's do it together, buddy. We'll get our Legends payouts together. We'll have matching payouts. Matching payout certificates. Could you imagine, like, has anybody done that yet? Has anybody tattooed their first payout date? It'd be a little silly, wouldn't it? Let's see, if we push up halfway. Are we still pushing down? Oops. 15 seconds left. We're still looking weak, so hopefully we continue to push down. We want to try to tap these 506s, 500s, hopefully. On the 1 hour, yeah, 507 seems like that would be kind of a good one. But that's not a good candle. The 9's giving us a rejection again, though. That's a good sign. We got to keep pushing through and make sure we don't push back up. See if we can push through here to the 500s. Come on, come on, come on, come on. How many seconds left? 15 seconds left. We should push through right here. Oh, we are forming higher lows and higher highs though. Nvidia's pushing down. Where would be a good stopping point for Nvidia? Technically where it's at. Where it's at is probably beautiful support for Nvidia. If it breaks this support, then it's going to do a next leg down to 205.90. But yeah, I agree, Miguel. We just need to break right here. If Nvidia can break this little shelf right here, come on, Greg, talk. You can speak. If we can break the 207s, if Nvidia can break 207s, it's going to do that next leg down. If it does that next leg down, we'll do the next leg down too. 15 seconds left to this candle. Let's see what the next one looks. It almost seems like she wants to come up to the 21 though, if I'm being honest. We might have a quick push to the 588s. Nvidia 207.15. It still needs to lose those 207. The bulls are fighting back, but they're getting weakened, says Miguel. Let's beat them bulls up. We don't really have a big wick here yet. Oh. Hughes is trying to flash green. Nvidia, come on. Give us some red. Give us some blood. 207. Come on. Just a very slow moving trade. $9.55, brand new candle right here. We're still slowly pushing up a little bit. The EMA is trying to curl up just a little bit. Balance in order, ride the wave, both kinds. Man, we kind of saw this 580 push happen, and that's what I was kind of saying. Maybe we're going to push up to the 580s, hit that 21 again. I got out of two of them for a small little profit. This third one, though, is probably negating the two. So, great trade, but we'll see. We might add into another one here at 580s, maybe the last one here at 600s. And then kind of if it comes up to like the 630s, we get stopped out. We basically bounced perfectly off our 5-minute pivot point. And man, this is what I was saying this morning too. How often do we break orb, then just rip to the complete opposite side? See? Broke orb, rip to the opposite side. Broke orb, rip to the opposite side. Broke orb, and continued on that one. Come on in, good sir. Ah, shoot. Yeah, and that's what I was kind of talking about right there, is this might be the rip up to the opposite side of orb. Let me get back over the 5-minute here. We got to check on Nvidia. Nvidia's at 207.67. Yeah, just take your shoes off. Good boy. And now we have to be a little bit cautious because I don't want it to pop too much higher up than this. Yeah, Baba.
Do you know that this guy's helicopter can turn into a jet?
No. Wow. That's super cool. Yeah, look at that Nvidia push. Darn it, guys. We talked ourselves through it, but we did the wrong thing.
And Dad.
So,
And Dad, now
yeah, look at this push.
okay, Dad, now
Hold on, baby.
back into a helicopter.
Oh. Yeah, that looks good.
That
Shoot, I really should just get myself stopped out at this point. I mean, the end-all be-all would be see if we get any resistance here at the 50. But the way that we're pushing up right now, I kind of doubt it. I think there's a little bit of hopium at this point, right? We got a little bit of hopium. If it breaks 585, I'm in long for 10 points. Oh, shoot, Miguel, I missed it. Beautiful push, bud. Beautiful push. Yeah, we got to get stopped out, I think. We're just chug-a-lugging. We're just chug-a-lugging here. Oh, Jesus, Rose. Can you be careful, please? Sorry. No, it's okay. I just don't want you to get hurt.
oh, is that?
Yeah.
That?
Here, let me set you up, babe, so I can concentrate a little bit.
Trust my age, let the profits grow. Loss don't shake me, it's part of the game. Learn one lesson, never trade the same. Sunset glow, the bowl in hand. Carving waves like I plotted the plan. Life's so sweet, yeah, I can't complain. From the charts to the lake, same lane. I'm living that late life, feeling so free. Built it myself, now I just be me. Wake surfing while the baseline roll. Financial peace deep in my soul. Meg by my side, jet lead the way. Ducks and goats just vibing all day. From the grind to the glow, yeah, I made it through. Now I'm living this life like a dream come true. Yeah, boy. Trade smart, live free. Lake breeze, good energy, ride the wave, always. Mark the highs and lows tonight. Watch it flow. Liquidity's where we go. Hold the line. Riding trends or fading signs. Feel the swing. Breakouts take or chop will sting. Hoist the candles high. VWAP drawn, we test the line. Don't get caught. Stop gets hit if risk's not thought. Stack the bids. Bears a trapdoor. Bulls get clipped. Watch the zone. Order flow will lead you home. Sink or swim. Choose your side. Green or red. No place to hide. Now we go. New York Open. Steal the show. Out on the lake, screen glow, tucked away. Make
All right, back to our regularly scheduled program. So NVIDIA had a nice, what time even is it? 10 o'clock. All right, so we have our 1 hour candle. Hold on one sec. Let me look at the 1 hour. Yeah, perfect 1 hour candle. Perfect 50 EMA rejection. Got stopped out right here around the 630s. Qs are curling back down. NVIDIA had that nice push up though. ES formed that bull flag that pushed up very nice. Where's SpaceX? SpaceX is back down to those 140s. Well, there you go. Now I can get my 140 hit. Oh wait, no, I put it in order of buy at 139. EMA is curling up nice. 10:03. We got 20 seconds left of this candle. Let's see if we get another green candle to kind of retest the halfway point and then pushes up. We might try it long here. Here's our new candle. No, still selling off. Still selling off. Is there any news tomorrow? Tuesday. Yeah, CPI, 8:30. Woo! Yeah, we got CPI 8:30 tomorrow. Yeah, that'll be exciting then. All right, NVIDIA, what are you doing? NVIDIA looks like it still wants to push up. We're just struggling a little bit here. Yeah, still struggling. We're almost right to the bottom of ORB, but we're forming that nice little bull flag here on the 5-minute. I just don't know if I trust the weakness. We're going to try a long, I think. Especially because NVIDIA is still looking really nice, man. If we can push up through here, we're going to push past the 660s. We're going to keep going. If it breaks over 600, I honestly, I might even add one. We'll see.
Yeah, man. Early morning, screens lights up.
NVIDIA's still pushing up real nice. Qs are forming a bull flag. ES is forming an ugly bull flag. We're forming an ugly bull flag. It seems like there's support. A long looks good for now, says Miguel. Yeah, as long as it doesn't fall off the cliff. Breaks through the 560s.
Saw the candles dancing near VWAP line. Felt that rhythm, said today is mine. Type tick quick so the whole chat knew. Said he caught that break, rode the move clean through. But another voice.
Man, it's a quiet day in here, Miguel. We're lonely. We're the lonely survivors. We're the lonely survivors, sir.
They kept talking in their own small way. Win or lose, they would both take.
NVIDIA's still pushing. I don't know. What a kind of a finicky day. Very finicky day.
Two traders talking about the wins they gave. Little bit of pride, little bit of truth. How I learning in the sink or swim booth. Some days green and some
Still getting that push, Miguel.
kept showing up like
Still getting that push.
the noise of the market and all that spin.
Just got to break the 600s now.
To learn within. First one back by the points he made. Second one left, said I flipped that trade. One chase early, had to take that loss. Other stayed back, let the price exhaust. Still they joke like they always do.
So we're at the 580s now, 680s. I mean, yeah, we should be able to, if this thing starts going up, we should be able to get 100 points. Look at that, nice push up. We're at the 50 again though, so we gotta make sure we don't get a 50 rejection here. We got a brand new 5-minute candle coming in just a minute here. See if we can't break the 615s now. Come on, baby. Let's break the 615s. Keep going up. Keep chugging-lugging up. Can we break the 50? I mean, that's a really nice bull flag forming on the 5-minute now, right? And look at NVIDIA still pushing up really nice. I'm gonna add one here, and we'll target taking one off of the 660s. We'll let the other one hopefully run to the 700s.
Not just numbers, but the way they think. One saw clearly where we went too fast. Other knew that patience really lasts. They didn't say it loud or bad.
Come on, baby. 659. Let's get that push. Let's get that bull flag push. We have our EMAs curling up really nice again. Man, I mean, all systems go, right? There should be no reason that this shouldn't hit 659 now. How to win. Come on, baby. We're so stinking close. What time is it? 15 seconds left of this 5-minute. If the next candle gives us a little bit of a retracement, I might add another one into it. I might not get the opportunity. Let's see.
Sun's coming up, screens glowing gold. Another day in the life, stories get told.
Come on, baby. Keep pushing for us.
From the shoreline.
Pretty stinking nice trade so far. If we can keep pushing, come on. Hopefully we take one off here at the 660s. Come on. Hey, Miguel, thank you, sir. Right? Beautiful push, beautiful trade. Actually, here, we'll even let's switch up our music. Why is this not working? Now keep in mind, it's going to be a little bit loud.
Open NASDAQ Futures. It's time to pump it up. Pump it. Jerome Powell, turn on that money printer. Pump, pump, pump. Break that high.
There it is.
Pump, pump, pump. Stack and fly. Pump, pump, pump. 3 candles run. Pump, pump, pump. Trend is on. Hold that zone. Pump, pump.
Now we just need to keep going, buddy.
Don't fall. Hey, hey. Press that trade. Come on, come on. Get that pay. Price at resistance. Now we break through. Volume spike. That's your cue. Higher high. Structure clean. Momentum build. Strong and lean. Pull back like don't overthink. Hold above VWAP. That's your link. Reset tight. Entry clear. Execution
Come on,
sharp.
baby. Come on, baby.
Where's the level? Right up here. What's the trend? Up it's clear. What we waiting for? Break and go. What we looking for? High or low? Pump, pump, break that high.
Come on, baby.
Stack and fly. Green candles run.
Come on, bull flag.
Trend is on.
Come on, baby.
Hold that zone.
It's like an avalanche in here now.
Ain't no fall.
Oh, don't friggin' tease me. The 9 is crossing over the 50. Come on. Give us the push.
Open drive, no hesitation. Clean breakout, confirmation. Buy a step, sellers weak. Push that range, new highs peak. Consolidate, then expand. Follow through just like you planned. Trail that stop, lock that game. Let it run, don't cut the chain. Stop, stop, hold that level. Stop, stop, no rejection.
Come on, baby, right here. Push us through, up and through, up and through, up and out.
We stay above.
Come on, NVIDIA, fuck you. NVIDIA's curling down a little. That's the only thing that concerns me a little.
To the top. Don't you stop. Trends too strong.
Come on! Just do it! Ugh. Just give us 20 more! Ugh. Come on, baby. We got a brand new 5-minute candle. Come on! PT1! PT1! Come on!
Market strong.
Ugh.
Trend intact. Discipline. Execute. React. NASDAQ futures. We stay low.
Come on, 5-minute. Come on, 5-minute candle! Come on, the song stopped. No! There's no way it's going to push now without the song. It's not going to push without the song. Yes, it will. Yes, it will. We're going to bring 2 stops up just so we're not incredibly silly. Come on, keep pushing, though. Keep pushing! Damn it. ES still has to close. The overnight gap says good news. Good news! Good morning, good sir. Where have you been? I miss you. We were supposed to do it together today. We were supposed to win together. So, and we never closed the gap either, good news, right? At least not on the 5-minute. The 1 hour we did, but look at the 5-minute, right? Let's see, let's see, let's see. So the 5-minute, like we were close last night. We were close to filling the gap, but I don't think we actually filled it, right? So we stopped at 30,041. Gap would bring us up to 30,061. So we literally just missed it by 20 points. Man, kind of disappointing on this trade. It was a nice trade, obviously, but I mean, I really wanted to play out in a big way, and it didn't. Like, we got some peanuts off the table, and that was it, you know? Oh, God! Look at that! Look at that! Who had a stop in? Who had a stop in? Holy shit, man. I literally didn't have a stop. Did not have a stop. I literally just put a stop in. Which kind of like it did yesterday. Uh-oh. Did that even go in or no? Yeah, it did. Let's see if we can get a crazy reaction right the heck back up like it did yesterday. I dropped the stop in already. Let's see. Little volatile. Let's see if it just pumped green for us real quick. Nah. Sometimes you get those ones, sometimes you don't. Trying to chase it kind of like we did yesterday. See if there'd be a volatile, little pushback up for us afterwards. Man, yeah, it slipped me a little bit, though. Let me see. Fills in order, show all. It doesn't even have it on there. Oh, yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. Actually, it was only 250. Man, I dropped that stop in at the perfect spot. That's crazy. Man. All right, Trump, Hormuz Straits remain open with or without Iran, reinstating Iranian blockade on Iran ships and customers, demanding 20% reimbursement on all cargo shipped for security costs. Not great news. Not really great news. Yesterday we had that news, though, we pumped up right afterwards. So we'll have to see what this ends up doing. That little drop down had my SpaceX buy go through. Yeah, look at that. We actually are pushing right back up. Damn, what a big candle. 656 to 494. Could you imagine if that happened like 10 minutes ago when I was holding the when I was holding 4 contracts without any stops? That would have been fun. Wow, man. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Damn. Shoot, man, we were getting good traction up for a second there too. All right, let's start our music again.
Fatally attracted to a brand new ticket. Where you going?
There we go. All right, time to lock in.
Rise with the sun, sink or swim. We teaching everyone.
Here we are getting back above that trend line again.
Open every day. Don't be late. Started with a vision and the chart on the screen. NASDAQ
Just shows people don't care about news. People don't care about news no more.
Trying to show the world better ways through the maze. No more guessing, no more chasing the
What time is it? 10:20.
management. Teach them trade it right. From the losses to the wins, yeah, show it all. If you stumble one time, get back up, don't fall. Every morning when the bell gonna ring, we go live, let the knowledge we bring. Real time moves.
So good news. How has the ES switch been?
Fast or you sink or swim. Sink or swim. Yeah, we live at the open. New York time, every day we in
I found it just moves a little bit slower sometimes, though I will say it almost seems to trend better. If it's going in one direction versus the other, it kind of trends pretty well in that direction. I feel like NQ is just a chop fest half the time. Still having this nice push up. What could you put your stop if you wanted to target that 550 too? Slightly better, he says. Nice.
show 'em patience, yeah, the edge and the twist. Not about luck, it's a plan you refine. Discipline sharp, like a well-cut line. People in the chat like, yo, I see it.
ES is still selling off. We're starting to look a little red here.
From beginner to a pro in time. If you stay locked in, you
Kind of a doji candle, doji candle.
every kindle got a story within. Stay afloat strong.
Just kind of waiting to see, does this market want to continue the sell-off, or do we not care about the news? My presumption is we almost probably don't care about the news.
Teaching the game, yeah, we breaking it down. From the small account, going up to a crown. Sink or swim, yeah, the mindset shift. No shortcuts here, just a long-term gift. From the charts to the life that you wanna live. I show you the way, yeah, I got that to give. Earn it, wait for the set.
Came all the way down to the 480s, 488, which could support at 475 here. Otherwise, if we break through that, then obviously 400s would be next.
Cut losses quick, let the winners run free. That's the goal, that's the key.
Come on, baby. Glad.
Now the channel growing, people tuning in from across the world. Yeah, we building a win.
DS still pushing down. Nvidia still pushing down. We're below VWAP and we have our EMAs pushing down. We failed to make a new high there. We were so stinking close though. Man, I just can't believe market sentiment just 8 minutes ago, right? Market sentiment 8 minutes ago as we're going up. Now market sentiment's oh shit. still pushing though. EMAs are curling up really stinking nice now. Oh, what are the chances? Are we gonna push all the way back up now? Retest that entire move. What time is it? We got a brand new candle coming in 5 seconds. Let's see if this candle pushes down just a little bit and gives us that little push back up. I'd like to kind of push back down to the 9 first.
Yeah, man. Sink or swim, but we float together. We not learn. Either way, we better.
6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah.
New York open.
Kind of a 60-point stop.
Every day.
Look at that. Nice push back. Nice push up. Yeah, Nvidia's pushing up nice. Everything's pushing up nice again. How funny. Nice. TP hit. Look at that. TP hit.
Wake up early, charts on glow. Get going, I get the whole crew show. Some got win, some taking a loss. Still crack jokes, we don't feel the cost. NASDAQ.
Beautiful push. Beautiful push now.
Keep it cool, keep the mindset style. Ask a question, yeah, we break it down. No ego here, just a learning town.
Hey, Jose. Good morning, good sir. I appreciate you. We're trying to get there, right? We're trying to get there. We've had a couple good ones. Which I really want to get this push up to VWAP now. Shit, I guess I'm in it. I wanted to wait for a halfway point retest, but after that news candle, let's see.
Somebody type, man, I blew that trade. Next man reply, yo, I did the same. Then we laughed and we learned real quick. Find the flaw in the setup, fix the trick. Break down entries, talk through risk. Show one patience, yet don't rush this. No one perfect, yeah, we all improve.
Come on, let's get a nice push here. Nice push.
From confusion to clarity day by day. Every truck got a lesson to say. Stick around, you gon' see that shift. Time in the game.
Hey, good news is up 800. Hell yeah, bud. Hell yeah.
Live at the open every day we ride it. Sink or swim, but we float as a team. Laugh through the losses, chase the dream. Win or learn, yeah, it's all the same. Every mistake, just fuel for the flame. Even though
Yeah, I agree though. I kind of got a little excited here, didn't I? we're at the top of the range and I throw 4 on it. Just hoping for that quick little push up and out.
just progress. Great day, still okay.
We'll come back to MNQ now. Lower the risk. Nice, bud.
Don't get lost.
Come on, let's get that push up and out. Beautiful push up and out. Can we get it? Can we get it? Can we get it?
That's the real profit that
Break the 82s, please.
channel growth. Yeah, the energy's strong. People feel like they finally belong. Not just
Man, Nvidia's just looking bad.
where you build that skill and community.
We just gotta get that strong oomph, and we're not getting it right now.
All makes sense. Them losses build the confidence from I don't know to now I see. That's the path, that's the victory. Win or learn, yeah, we still vibing every single
Stalling out a little bit. We're probably gonna come back to this 9, get some support there.
on that time, building skill while we
Little early.
win or learn, yeah, we keep it real. Every trade teach you how to feel. From the charts to the life you design, we gon' get there.
Come on, come on. Give us that push. Give us the push. Give us the push. We just gotta break the 680s and then we can hopefully start flying. Come on, we're so close every single time. So close every single time. We got a minute and a half before our 30-minute candle. Our 1 hour is looking nice. We just need this thing to actually work and push and not come down to the 620s first.
Yeah, man.
And now, of course, my Come On Down song turns on. There we go. Here's our other pump up song. Come on, baby. Come on. There she is. There she is. The pump song worked. The pump song worked. Man, now we're at VWAP. I kind of want to chicken shit these stops, if I'm being honest. Come on, baby. Alright, so good news. Last time I blew the account, got hyped and traded 5NQ. Oh, here's the song. I hate it at the same time. That's so funny, man. Dude, right, honestly, the song gets me a little bit too hyped sometimes, too. We start making some bad decisions. We'll bring this up to VWAP now, just in the off chance she wants to sneak on back down. And I guess we'll push this up. I'm into this top of this range now to 750s. We're 30 seconds into this 5-minute candle. We're getting an absolutely gorgeous push. Gorgeous push. So 674, 774, is that a possibility? Can we get 100? 774? I doubt it. I mean, maybe. But we're basically, we're bumping our head on the trend line right now, too. So we have to have a nice candle closure above this trend lines. But I'd still almost presume we'd come down, retest VWAP, probably sink through VWAP, stop me out, and then go. So yeah, we'll keep it at VWAP. We'll re-enter. Beautiful trade, beautiful trade, beautiful trade. Look at that. Look at that, guys. That's not bad. Now we're definitely wedging, though. Look at it. We bumped our head on that trend line. Good news goes, last time I blew the account, got hyped, traded 5NQ. Ooh. Ugh. Ugh. Man, EMAs are still fanning up really nice, though. Nvidia's pushing back down a little bit, just a tiny little bit, though, so you gotta be careful. Oh, gets me too excited. And then we get back into the reggae. Now we can woosah again. Now we can woosah. How you doing back there, little babe? My little 5-year-old is hanging out with me too.
What's inside my mind? Price dips
Yeah, that's that. So you gotta make sure you don't hit it, because it could fall over. Boom, boom, boom. Ba-da-da-da-da.
Breakout hit, tried to pull me under. Seen that splash, heard that thunder. Stop, got tapped.
So bumping our head right along this trend line here. Bunk, bunk, bunk. Nvidia's still looking weak. Q is looking nice and strong though. Qs are almost back up to the top of their OR, basically mimicking what we're doing. We're almost back to the top side. We got over last night's trend line, got a full candle closure on it with the 5-minute here. 5 seconds till another new candle. Man, of course, right? We have this massive sell-off, and just every single time it happens, we reverse it. Every single time, it seems. Man, you know what I keep saying, man. Something that I just saw over the weekend that was surprising to me that I just didn't know. I just didn't know yet, right? It's okay to admit that you don't know some things. So Alex G did that. He did a video where he went into a prop firm, you know, whatever, company, and was asking, he's like, so even if you're funded, is the money real? Like, are you actually giving us 50 grand of yours in its live market? And I was surprised that it's still no. Even if you're funded, it's still actually not real legitimate, you know, 50 grand into the actual legitimate stock market. It's still just 50 grand slushing within their ecosystem, basically. And they have risk parameters and blah, 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 blah. And so the profit that you're making off it is still just a profit that the company made off the like eval costs and all that stuff. But that was kind of surprising to me. I thought eventually, and maybe you do when you get moved to I guess I don't know these stuff, maybe like a live account or something. Maybe eventually you get access to the real money, but it almost seems like you never do. So with all that bullishness, look at that. We did break back to the VWAP. We have our 9 curling down just a little bit. NVIDIA was looking a little bit red there, so obviously that didn't help. SpaceX came down to what? SpaceX came all the way down here to the 137.55. So it almost hit the 135 we were supposed to open at. That's kind of bananas. It's bananas to think we were at 220 at one point. And it's also bananas to think I posted a similarity between SpaceX and Snow. And I warned people, I was like, hey, just like Snow, it IPO'd at this. It was supposed to open at this. It IPO'd at this. And then it actually opened up at this, you know. And then it went to this. So I was like, don't be the person that buys at this. And I got on a little bit of it too. Like I was buying at the 150s, the 170s, the 180s. And then I think like 201 was my highest price I bought. And then luckily for me, I got out of everything but 6 shares at like 121. Or no, 221. It was a beautiful, I couldn't believe the trade. 221. And then it instantly started crashing too. And I had my sell at like 226. At the last minute, I decided to chicken shit it, cancel that, take it at the 221. And then it sold off the cliff. So the only thing that I kept was my 6 original that I had bought at the like a 155 average. So now we're up to not that many shares. I think I have like 34 shares now of average of like 151 because we're starting to buy them down here in the 140s. The 130s is obviously great. We didn't quite come all the way down to our trend line yet. But if we can get it, it's just hard to go long into VWAP like this. Look at that, NVIDIA wicked its range, wicked the bottom right here, just to push back up. So we'll see. If NVIDIA starts forming this out to be a bull flag instead, If it pushes through, turns green, and wants to go to the top side of orb, we're going to have a real nice push, potentially up and out. We haven't even touched, obviously, any of our Londons, did we? Where's 9 o'clock? 9:30, we sold right off. Have we, So we didn't quite match it yet. Oops. Oh, we're going for it, though. I like NVIDIA's candle. Good News says 1 hour candle still looks bullish. I agree, man. And even this, I like this push up right here. We might try a little guy right there. Stop being just right here. See if we can't push up and out through this this range here. Little push back down to our 21. I mean, again, as long as we don't basically hit the stop, we should be okay. We might get a bounce off the 50, but I kind of doubt it. I feel like if we break through the stop, you can give it a tiny bit more room to like this. But if we break through all this, we might be coming all the way down to retest this shoulder. NVIDIA's still looking real weak. My thesis was hoping that this was going to form out a bull flag, and instead it looks like she might break. Yeah. She's going to break instead, maybe. Let's see. ES selling off. Enter at 650. Oh, okay. So you're waiting for that. You're waiting for that 50 tap. So you're in long now. All right, I'll do one with you, bud. I'll do one with you. And same thing. If it breaks back through this, then it's definitely going down. 641. And again, target would be obviously that 930 candle. At the very least, the 737s. Oh, you're gonna get out at 690. Oh, look at NVIDIA though. Yeah, NVIDIA's too weak, man. I think we going down. Look at NVIDIA. I just got edged. Oh, I'm gonna get wicked. NVIDIA's too heavy. Qs are heavy. We're going down. ES is going down. 650, we have support. Yeah, look at NVIDIA. As long as NVIDIA doesn't catch support now, the short should short, but admittedly, we are getting a little bit chopped up here. I just lost basically 150 in the last two trades. I'm out. MACD is negative, says Good News. I'm shorting now, bud. Which we don't know if it'll work. It depends on NVIDIA. If NVIDIA pushes through its session low here, the 207.03s, we're going to have a real nice sell-off. If NVIDIA catches support right here, like it's already done twice at the 207.03s, then my short is going to get screwed. Which, yeah, I can even probably lower this because if she goes, she's gonna go. Come on, NVIDIA, what you got? What you got, NVIDIA? What you got? 207s. 207.15 for NVIDIA. It's got to break the 207s. Come on, baby. Switch over to Bob Barker.
Yeah, man. Big respect to Bob Barker, legend of the stage. Now we step up to the charts. Same kind of game.
Come on, NVIDIA. Back up to 207.33s. What is she going to do? Oh, good news in the short too. We got a couple people in the short with us. Q's is still short and ES is still short, and we got our 9 crossing the 21. What time is it? 10:45. Here's our new 5-minute candle. We got a break 622. Yeah, it's looking good, man. I agree. I agree. It's looking good. I just really want NVIDIA to make a new session low. I really want NVIDIA to break 207.02. Take partials at 600 says good news. Man, I wish I could. I chicken shit it with one, so not much I can do. Wait till a brand new candle. I might add one more. Still sinking. 606. NVIDIA just broke a new session low. That's going to help as long as we can continue. We need a little continuation though. Pretty good trade though, gang. Not a bad trade. Man, it never ended up raining today either. I came inside instead of hanging out with the goats because it looked like it was going to pour today. And we just got teased. We never got anything. 10:46. We still have 20 seconds left of this candle. NVIDIA's pushing up just a little. I really just want that. Yeah, I know. It might bounce. I was literally just thinking that too. I was like, look at that NVIDIA wick. Damn it, look at that. We were up 30 points on it. We just didn't take it. Confusion spread across the land. Some see red and they feel that fear. Others see chance when the path get clear. It's all perspective, how you read that chart. Up ain't the only way to play your part. Well, the thing we have to be careful is we're making lower high, lower high, lower high, or I mean higher low, higher low, higher low, right? So this could finally be our higher high push. So we got, yeah, you're right, man. We just got to be real careful here. He's like, man, it's just a weak ass bounce. Don't worry. He says, don't you worry about that weak ass bounce. Especially if you're short, you can still wear the crown. Come on down, let it fall real clean. Red down the chart, but the count stay green. From the open bell to the final round, we just wait for that. Come on down. Yeah, man, spin the wheel. Yeah, I don't know, man, because they broke, because NVIDIA broke that low. But play it smart. Big up Bob Barker. And big up Greg. When the market drops, we don't beg, we just smile and say, come on down, 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 down. So I guess loose plan at the moment is add another one at 700, get out if it breaks 730s. But we're kind of seeing some good strength. Yeah. Nvidia's still looking weak though. Oh, my whole thesis is based on Nvidia, which is scary. $207.28. Yeah, beautiful push. We'll try one here at 700 just in the off chance that she wants to start coming back down, but my presumption is, again, lower, high, lower, high, lower, or high, low, higher, low, higher, low.
Every day, don't be late. Started with a vision and the chart on the screen. NASDAQ moving, yet the candle stay clean. Hit record, now I'm talking my place. Trying to show the world better ways through the maze. No more guessing, no more chasing the hype. Teach risk management, teach them trade it right. From the losses to the wins, yeah, I show it all. If you stumble one time, get back up, don't fall. Every morning when the bell gonna ring, we go live at the knowledge we.
I called it out, but then didn't do the right trade. I called it out, but did the wrong trade. Son of a bitch. Nvidia's still bear flagging. What time is it? 10:55. This is our brand new 5-minute candle. Gonna follow this stop down just in case I'm completely wrong. Come on, we need a much better push. Good news, switched after we closed above the 200 EMA. Nice. Well, we're down to the 9 again. We'll see if she breaks through the 9 or just has a bounce. Just had a bounce. Yep. Man, what if just a wedgie chop zone? Wedgie chop zone. Slowly forming out this wedge. But we're slowly going up. The only thing is fucking Nvidia. Honestly, I just gotta delete Nvidia. Stop looking at it. If it wasn't for Nvidia, I would go long at 623. Because of Nvidia, I'm scared to go long. But if we have any type of full candle closure below this yellow trend line, I think downs are going to accelerate quick.
Sink or swim, but we float together. We no learn, either way we better. New York open every day. Pull up.
EMA is curling down just a little. The 9's trying to cross over the 21 here. Yeah, oh man, NVIDIA. Fuck you, NVIDIA. Look at NVIDIA breaking to the downside. I want to short, which is so dumb. I literally just did this a second ago. I shorted down here because NVIDIA, it ripped all the way back up to VWAP. And here it is, NVIDIA's breaking again, and I just want to short again. Oh yeah, NVIDIA's breaking. I mean, it should break. I don't know what would support the market then if NVIDIA really wants to sell off. Mom was looking for you. She asked if Rory's still out here. Fuck you, NVIDIA. Yeah, I'm just letting myself get chopped up here. That's crazy that it keeps breaking, but slowly. At this point, it's got to come down to the 206s, you'd think. Playing with everybody, yeah, but we were just in a choppity chop fest. So I'll do the same thing. I'll you know, add it in the short if we come back up to VWAP here. Obviously, shouldn't have tried to short down here at the bottom of the range. But again, fucking NVIDIA is just lying to me. It's teasing me. We broke and then we didn't have continuation.
It's a place to be where you build that skill and community. One day it clicks, then it all makes sense. Them losses build the confidence. From I don't know to now I see. That's the path, that's the victory. Win or learn, yeah, we still vibing. Every single morning we arriving. New York open, yeah, we on that time. Building skill while we build that climb. Win or learn, yeah, we keep it real. Every trade teach you how to feel. From the charts to the life you design.
Well, we'll see if we reject one last time. We'll try to add in here. Admittedly, though, I'd rather be in a long right now than a short.
No rush, no pressure. Just show up, learn together. Sink or swim, we float forever. Yeah, man. Big respect to Bob Barker, legend of the stage. Now we step up to the charts, same kind of game. Nasdaq Futures.
Here's VWAP one last time. One last time. Let's see if she wants to keep chopping, or if it's actually going to rip through and fuck me up.
Early morning, screen light glow. Future sticking with your way.
Yeah, it's looking real strong though. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. I'm just hoping it'll not pop right here and just come down one last time for us and then do the pop. That might be wishful thinking though. Oh no, we have a brand new 1 hour candle coming. Oh, I don't like holding through 1 hour candles. That's gonna be in 30 seconds. I don't love that. I don't love that, chat. 20 seconds. Ah. Yeah, big push. Big push. Is he gonna calm down or is he gonna keep pushing? Hold on. 718, 718. What are the chances? 718.
Hold his field.
Uh-oh. That might pop us. Oh no, I was hoping that we'd get a quick little drop to help us. What time is it? 20 seconds left. Ah. Yep, too much. Wrong direction. What time is it? Oh, it's gotta just drop right here. If it drops right here to put the 1 hour candle or the 1 hour wick, then we'll be okay. If it keeps pushing, we're fucked. Come on, baby. We need this strong push down now. And that was a 200 rejection on the 5 minute too. 200 EMA hopefully rejection. Come on, baby. Come on back down for us. Come on back down for us. Oh, it's gonna pop. It's gonna pop it. Yeah, baby. Hold on. You'll have to go inside. There's no snacks out here. If you want to go inside, you can definitely grab one. Yeah, that was silly of me. No, Rory. You have to go inside, baby. Ugh. Yeah, I kind of impulsively click, because I saw that 200 EMA and stuff like that. I saw that wickless candle. I thought maybe, you know, maybe. But admittedly, that was pretty silly. It was kind of silly. How many seconds we got left? Ah, yeah, not good. Come on, put that wick on there for me. Put that wick on there for me.
Screens light up. Sink or swim, go live. Chat fill up.
Come on. Come on.
Two voices rise from the scroll below.
Come on.
Everybody's first one in the room. Charts already in the morning gloom. Saw the candles dancing near VWAP line. Felt that rhythm said today is mine. I typed it quick so the whole chat knew. Said he caught that break, rode the move clean through.
Well, we didn't blow up the account. What a day! What a stinking day, man. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Damn it, dude. And I knew it too, man. It's so dumb of me to just double down on everything else. So dumb, right? Ugh. Fucking NVIDIA, man. Just chopped me up. Got me all stinking excited about all this shit. And then we knew when it was pushing. We knew it was going to push. And then I just doubled down. I shouldn't have. I should have exited and flipped, obviously. And we would have done pretty good, actually, if we had done that. Instead, we're kind of down. We don't want to talk about that. That's all right. We can get it back, though. That's the good news. Dude, son of a bitch, though. Look at that. We put the 1 hour wick on that candle. Get a nice little push down. That would have been hard for me to hold it, though. Hey, Marco! Good morning, good sir. How are we doing today? Man, if you had asked me, Marco, if you had asked me 5 minutes ago, I'd say we're doing pretty good. For that last trade, we kind of went a little heavy on the short. So we're down a little on the day. Admittedly, we're down a little on the day. So we had one nice little wick over our ORB range there. We're starting to form a little bit of strength again, though. NVIDIA, fuck you. EMAs are curling up nice. VWAP's curling up nice. Made a shitload of higher lows that we decided to ignore. So now we gotta see if it wants to pull back to like the 50 to 670s here. Come back to our trend line, 660s, then we can try to do a long. Be on the right side of it this time. We're at the 700s now, getting a little bit of steam. Fuck it, we're gonna try it. Because we got some wood to chop. We got 1100 drawdown. Yeah, 690s. I would love to get like a 690 bounce. Basically VWAP bounce.
Not just trades, not just cause, but the voices behind it all. Sink or swim, we grow again. Turn it up tonight. Feel the neon light. We don't stop.
Q still has the gap way above it. SpaceX still looking weak. Yeah, what a chop day, man. I mean, we're going to try to ride it correctly this time. We're just going to be really patient. I'm not going to add anything else until we hit this trend line. And then target-wise, I mean, you think the 780s, this 5-minute pivot point, would be our first target. Forming a nice bull flag here, but we still have obviously a lot of room to come down and retest the 640s. Yeah, Marco, down 40, but up 400 on that free Legends account. Shoo! Full port the freebies. Always full port the freebies. We're about to do full port Fridays. Watch that. Full port Fridays. Try to time the top, try to time the bottom. and then just full port. Which for legends, 2 NQs. 2 NQs right at the bottom. Boom! And then see how it goes. What a frustrating day though, man. Yeah, my entries today. Full port Fridays are going to only have you stream for 5 minutes, says Marco. Could you imagine? I mean, it'd be kind of like, yeah, it'd be kind of like your wife's, like, I'll trade out the 15-second chart, you know? And you either pass it or you blow it up in the first 5 minutes. That was pretty funny. I mean, we should have like a 650 retest. That's what I'm kind of waiting for now is the 650 retest. Here's a brand new 5-minute candle. We are forming an ugly little bull flag here on the 5-minute. We did pop up and we took out our session high. Maybe crazy W-shaped recovery, but it's such a choppity one. There you go, still pushing up. 15-second chart sucks. I thought you guys loved the 15-second chart. Isn't that what she was using? I guess I'm remembering wrong. Still trying to push. She loves it, but I don't. Yeah, man, that would be very hard for me. It would just be way too, you know, cocaine. Squirrel on cocaine. Just patiently waiting for the 650 bounce. Nvidia's just dojiing. We're trying to bull flag, but we're obviously looking weak while we're doing it. We're right up against this trend line as well. Good news says shorts are still playing out here. Be careful. Well, I guess kind of the plan here would be I'm going to long it at 650. So I know that's still another, you know, I'm giving it another 30 points to come down now, but. Unless this ends up being just a giant bear flag. Like the entire thing is a giant bear flag, you know? Da, da, da. 640s. Let's see.
got moves to share. One clean setup, that's all I need. Plant that tray like a steady
600.
wrist to reward like the push and pull. Can't rush the wave. Gotta wait till full. Then I drop in smooth, no second guess. Let it ride out. No stress, no press. Close
Got a new 5-minute candle coming just 10 seconds here.
another day in the ebb and flow. Win or lose, I respect the sea. Cause it gives and takes so honestly. Sink or swim.
Here's our new 5-minute. I just want that little more of a push down. I don't know. I mean, it's been doing this thing the whole damn session, you know, higher, low, higher, low, higher, low. So hopefully, right now, it can be our higher low again. Man, I'm going to try my hardest to hold this trade. Let's see what can play out, man. Oh, sitting on the hands. Marco says you might have to DCA more for this to become a winner. I mean, I like that. You know, we're bouncing off the trend line, right? Again, like lower high, lower, yeah, higher low. Sorry, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Hopefully. So I'm gonna try my best to just sit here. Not take any partials, not take anything. Hopefully my first one will be right here, 743. I would love it to pop back over 704. That would give me a little bit more confidence. Alright, we're gonna have to do it again.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Gonna have to do it again.
traders, get ready! New York Open, NASDAQ Futures. It's time to pump it up. Pump it. Jerome Powell, turn on that money printer.
Well, you might not be wrong yet, Marco. We still got a long ways to go, bud. We gotta break the 720s now. Come on, baby. Come on, baby!
Three candles run. Trend is on. Hold that zone.
Come on, baby. We just need this next candle now. Turn green and pop back above this candle, and then I'll feel real good about it. But it's been such a choppy day. Who the hell knows?
Price that resistance. Now I break through. Volume spike. That's your cue.
5 seconds left.
Clean momentum build.
Not a bad candle.
Pull back like don't overthink. Hold above VWAP. That's your link. Reset tight. Entry clear.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Where's the level? Right up here. What's the trend? Up is clear. What we waiting for? Break and go. What we looking for? High or low? Break that high.
I mean, ES is forming a bull flag. We're forming a bull flag. Nvidia's pumping up just a little. What's that big yellow line on your chart? VWAP. That's the 1 minute VWAP. Come on, baby, come on.
Clean breakout, confirmation, buy a step, sellers weak, push that range, new highs peak, consolidate, then expand, follow through just like you planned, trail that stop, lock that gate, let it run, don't cut the chain, stop, hold that level, no rejection, strong momentum, full direction, we stay above, higher, low, that's what we love, to the top.
Man, it's just so slowly doing it. Like I said, I'm going to try my best to just hold it. We'll see. Marco says, I want you to get a big win on this one. Dude, me too, man. Me too. I mean, like I said, I'm really going to try my best. Going to try my best to hold the 743. But you know me. Damn it, dude. Come on. It's making me nervous, says Marco. You're making me nervous, sir. You're making me nervous. Longing and screaming like warriors, says Good News. 3NQ, you nutball. You just did 3NQ? Do you want to do the pump song again?
Ladies and gentlemen, traders, get ready. New York Open, NASDAQ Futures.
All right, we'll try one more time. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Jerome Powell, turn on
At least 720. You're right. At least 720. Come on, baby.
break that high.
I love you, Bubby.
Stack and fly.
Come on, baby.
Tweet candles run.
Woo!
Trend is on.
I don't think they can see you. Oh, they can see you. Look at that Tushy. Ah, get out of here. Quit distracting my dude. I love you, baby.
That trade. Come on, come on.
Woo! Good News is out, shitting himself. Oh, sorry, bro.
Structure clean, momentum build, strong and lean. Pull back like don't overthink. Hold above VWAP, that's your link. Reset tight, entry clear, execution sharp, no fear. Where's the level?
Oh, yeah.
What's the trend? Up is clear. What we waiting for?
Come on, baby. Come on. Give us at least a 720. 720! Come on.
Green candles run. Trend is on. Oh, that's on.
Come on, baby. Come on. Woo! Let's get that 720.
Open drive, no hesitation. Clean breakout, confirmation. Buy a step, sellers weak. Push that range, new highs peak, consolidate. Then
Come on, baby.
follow through just like you planned. Trail that stop.
Come on, baby. 720s.
Run, don't cut the chain. Stop, hold that level. No
There's
rejection.
720s.
Strong momentum.
Woo!
Full direction.
Oh, I want to take one.
We stay above.
Don't take it. Don't take it. Don't take it. Ugh, I want to take it.
To the top.
Nvidia's at a pivot point. Oh, 730s.
Trend still strong.
Take it. Marco's saying take it. I don't know. What time is it? We got a new candle coming right now. Oh!
Market strong. Trending
Oh.
discipline. Execute, react. NASDAQ Futures. We stay low.
Patrick do? Patrick would hold it. Patrick would hold it! But it's kind of scary. All right, now we need our other pump song. Hold on, let me find it. Yeah, it's losing momentum. It is losing momentum. Come on, it's because we friggin' turned the song off. Ah, look at that.
Early morning, screens light up. Sink or swim, go live. Chat fill up.
Oh, I don't want to get stopped out after all that. No.
Voices rise from the scroll.
No. Well, that's disappointing, gang. Dang, yeah, we got too excited with the song. We got a little too excited. It's okay. It's okay. We got a little too excited with the song. Damn it. Yeah, I know. 720s. We should have taken at that shoulder. That's alright, guys. That was exciting for a second, though. There we go. Here's our other pump song, though. Anybody trying to reload? Damn. We were doing good. We were doing good. My heart cannot take NQs no more. Your heart can't take this song no more. We're just revving you up, bud. Better than cardio. And look at NVIDIA still pushing up really nice. I still think ups are the way. I almost shouldn't have gotten stopped out of those. I added one more back in, but. What time is it? So we have our 11:30 candle coming in just 2 minutes. Good news. You're doing this on purpose. The song will blow my account. I'm just trying to get you guys revved up. Making sure you guys are awake on this lovely morning. On this lovely Monday morning. Yeah, but I think we are. I think the 780s, that pivot point, I mean, we're just slowly pushing, man. We're slowly pushing. 683, 783. Let's see if we can get the full 683, 783. Oh, shit, yeah, that's high. We're over 700, so we should push. That's good news. I think, man, look at NVIDIA's looking really nice. They're trying to push through its 5. We're starting to form a nice bull flag on PS. Forming a bull flag, obviously, on NQ. We have our 11:30 candle coming in just 50 seconds. So that's the only candle that would kind of be like, ugh, I guess, right? Because of the London close. But everything's looking pretty darn good. Marco's saying, let's see what happens in the 720s again. Man, Qs have a lot. I've said man way too many times today. Sorry, guys. It's like my every single second I'm like, man. Like a goddamn cow saying man. Guys, we have support, says Good News. Good News is trying to say that all signs are pointing towards a rocket ship. As we sell off. But I do agree. I think, I kind of still think north is the way. Little spiky spike down. I think I'm gonna buy that little spiky spike.
Swim, sink or swim, yeah, I'm all the way in. Either drown in fear or rise to win. Feel that pull, but I won't give in. I ride that way. Sink or swim, oh, no safety line. Just the charts in this heart of mine. High tide, I'm diving in. It's the trader's life. Sink or fake breakout hit, tried to pull me under. Seen that splash, heard that thunder. Stop, got tapped, but I keep my cool. Even deep waters got their rules. Bounce, bounce right back. Now I'm reading flow.
Look at that. Look at that push. Look at that push, gang. Back to the 720s, Marco. Let's see if we can keep pushing. See if we can keep pushing. My original target was 748. I got stopped out of, we were rolling up here with 5. I took 2 of them off the table up here, 2 of them down here, added 2 more. Check Discord. Let's see. Ha 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 ha. Discord, charts, good news. Dude, nice P&L, up 880. Push from the support trend line, yeah, bud. Yep, exactly. And that's what, maybe you can't see it as well on my screen, but that's this yellow line that we've had all day, right? And that was the trend line that I kept saying, lower, you know, higher low, 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 higher low.
Traders learn to grow. Midday calm, but I stay away. Even quiet tides got moves to share.
So yeah, man, it really seems like a, I don't know.
Plant that trail like a steady seed. Risk to reward like the push and pull. Can't rush the wave. Gotta wait till full. Then I drop in smooth, no second guess. Let it ride out. No stress, no press. Close it green as the sun dips low. Another day in the ebb and flow. Win or lose, I respect the sea. Cause it gives and takes, so honestly. Yeah, I'm all the way in, either drown in fear.
I'm in longs too. Hell yeah, good news. Let's do it together. Let's do it together, good sir. I mean, we just keep bouncing off this trend line. So let me ask you, what is your sizing then? You do big boy stuff though, don't you? Your sizing is probably huge right now. We taking out London lows and Asian lows. So now we're gonna go for them highs. Like at 800, 29,800 would be London high. The 1 hour candle is looking pretty bullish. Minus the fact that it's red at the moment, but. So we should go long. Oh, look at that. As we push all the way back down.
Balancing life, balancing order, ride the wave, both kinds.
That was a new 5-minute candle. I added one more to hopefully take it out a little bit early. Like maybe I would take the add-in out at 7:15. And then I might do a thing where I just keep cycling maybe one. Sell one out, rebuy it, sell it, rebuy it, sell it, rebuy it, sell it, rebuy it. As long as we don't break. We don't want to break obviously 660s. As we're ripping down to the 660s.
Design with time. I'm living that lake life, sun up to sundown, trades going green while I'm cruising around. Wake
Marco's back to green. He caught that short.
my dogs, my ducks, yeah, we all in the glow.
Yeah, it looks like support in the 630s, right? Right at the base of all these bodies here.
Water every single night, from the charts to the shore. Man, I love this view. Living life clean with my whole crew. So tiny and she barely make a sound. Jet run wild, yeah, he always running round. They on the dock while I'm making my calls. Profit hit quick, now we play till nightfall. Ducks glide smooth, little ripple in the breeze. Two goats chilling, just doing what they please. Simple kind of life, but it feel like gold. Not about flash, it's the life I hold. Stack it up slow, let the pressure release. Mind stay calm, that's the realest piece. Every small win, yeah, it build that stack. Late waves forward, ain't no looking back. I'm living that lake life, sun up to sundown. Trades going green while I'm cruising around. Wakes up waves and the good vibes flow. Got my dogs, my ducks, yeah, we all in the glow. Financial freedom, yeah, I'm feeling so right. Stars on the water every single night. From the charts to the show, man, I love
So close. We got to break, pop back into the 700s, break VWAP, get that nice little push back up to the 720s.
ride the wave. Mark it up, mark it down. Still I never.
Come on, baby. Come on. Let's get something. Give us that push. Give us that push back to the 720s, please. Break through the VWAP here. Let's see a little halfway retest, like bounce off the 677s, push back up through the 690s. Whoa, Marco says rocket ship time. Don't you get me all excited. I kind of agree though. If we break the 690s, hopefully. Come on. Come on, break the 690s. Still have 25 seconds left. Come on, baby. Flash green, flash green, flash green for just a sec, Marco. Come on, baby. We got your. I mean, we got to push the 690s. If we push the 690s the next 3 seconds. Same thing. We just got to push these 690s. Dang, come on. Let's get that push. Give us the push. I did like that wick at least. That's a good wick, good candle. We got 20 seconds left, so if we can keep pushing for the last 10 seconds, I think we're gonna get a little push. Let's see. Gotta push the 690s. Push through the damn 690s. 8 seconds left. We're not getting that push. 5 seconds left. Nah. Still a nice bull flag as long as we can just break through the fucking range. Man, average candle size is 18. They're just slowing down too much now. Come on, come on, come on, come on. She looking weak, she looking weak, she looking weak. Come on, NVIDIA. We have 15 seconds left. Give us that push. We really need that push up and out. There we go. Nope. Nope. Yeah, that might not be a good wick. That it snagged it and instantly came down. I'm out, says good news. Yeah, shoot, bud. Yep. Ah, shit. Yeah, darn it, guys. Darn it, darn it, darn it. Green on the screen, stack it again. But peace hits different when the ball cuts slow. And your dog's right there in the golden glow. Meg look back like she knows. Stomp us out in two of them just for it to start pushing back up just a little. Let's see if it wants any type of continuation up or if this is just it for the down. Bulls went to break, says good news. Yeah, you're telling me, man. Darn it, we were up pretty good on that trade too for a sec. We were up pretty good and then we just didn't take it. Those 50 points were too much for them. They got full. They got full off those 50 points. I just don't really see. I mean, we're slowing down and stuff, but I don't see the weakness. You know, we're just chopping. DS is chopping, NVIDIA chopping. Yep. Scalping 1 NQ short, he's saying. At every pop. Every pop? No way, man. We got 50 seconds left of this candle. Let's see, let's see. But yeah, I would say the longs are just about invalidated, right? We've had plenty of candle closures now below our trend line.
Everyone's first one in the room. Charts already in the morning gloom. Saw the candles dancing near VWAP line. Felt that rhythm, said today is mine. Type tick quick, so the whole chat knew. Said he caught that break. Rode the move
Just barely looking weak,
but another
though.
voice from the shadows replied. Said slow down, man, I was on that side. As Greg spoke, calm, breaking down the play. They kept talking in their own small way. Win or lose, they would both take part. Two different minds, but the same young start. And the chat went back and forth like waves. Two traders talking about the wins they gave. Little bit of pride, little bit of truth.
Well, we're getting them pushed down, but we don't really have anything. We just have one $10 contract.
Green and some days red, but they kept showing up like Greg once said. In the noise of the market and all that spin, they were both just trying to learn within. First one back by the points he made. Second one laughed, said I flipped that trade. One chased early, had to take that loss. Other stayed back, let the price exhaust. Still they joke like they always do. Throwing little lines, but it all rang true. Cause behind every jab and every claim was a deeper respect for the learning game. Greg kept teaching calm and clear. Why that sets up work right there. And in between every word he'd say, they test their thoughts in their own small way. And the chat went back and forth like waves. Two traders talking about the wins they gave. Little bit of pride, little bit of truth. All while learning in the sing or swim boat. Even when no profits didn't come in, they stayed locked, didn't let down.
Damn. Yeah. Craig, remember, just like Peter, if you can't beat them, join them. Shorts played well. I know, I just added one tiny little short for a half second. I was trying to see if there was going to be any type of pushback up to the 9, and then we were going to try shorting again. Because kind of like you were talking about 10 minutes ago, the 630s should be some type of a support, right?
They both had changed a bit, not just numbers but the way they think. One saw clearly where we went too fast, other knew that patience really lasts. They didn't say it loud or bold, but the truth was there in the lines they told. Two traders growing side by side through the waves of ego and humble pride. And the chat still move like the rising tide. Two traders drifting but unified. Through the wins, the losses, the things unseen. They were building more than a P&L screen. Sink or swim wasn't just a name, it was where they came to refine their game. And in every line that they typed within, they were both learning how to win. Yeah, man. Not just trades, not just calls, but the voices behind it all. Sink or swim, we grow again.
$11.48, and it's still looking weak. It's just we've slowed down so much. 18 is our average candle size. We're going to just give it a couple more minutes, and I think that's going to be it for me for the day.
Stories get told from the shoreline to the order flow.
Still breaking.
We ride the tide.
Still breaking 630s.
Trays go.
20 points on it right now.
The tide rolling in. Coffee in my hand, let the session begin. Charts on the screen, candles start to dance. NASDAQ, you just giving me a chance. VWAP sitting like a line in the sand. Price pulled back, now I'm making a stand. Volume building, yeah, I feel that heat. Momentum rising like a drumline beat. Palm trees swaying, but my mind stays sharp. Riding every wave like I'm playing my part. Support below and resistance high. Catch that break
Nvidia back to 206.99. My God, it was like 2 hours ago now that we wanted to break that 207 so that we could have this big flush. And instead we ended up having this big old rip up right afterwards.
Just to surf and survive. Oh, let it roll, let it breathe. Feel the rhythm of the market in the sea. Yeah, we glide, never fight the tide. Just a trader on the way. Let it ride.
1150.
And the volatility hits quick. Little scalp, yeah, I'm stacking my chips. Pull back clean now.
Beautiful pushes down still.
Wrist stay tight, let the winners run again. Order book flashing, been stacking up. See absorption, now I'm filling my cup. Fake out tries, but I don't get played. Seen that trick in the waves we've made. Break the structure, now we shift that trend. Higher highs, yeah, we riding again. Trailing stops, keep my board intact. Let the market pay me while I lean back. No emotion, just flow and feel like salt in the air. Yeah, you know it's real. Every loss just a lesson learned. Every gain like a fire that burns. And I'm riding the tape like I'm riding the wave. NASDAQ flow, yeah, I'm feeling so brave. From the beach to the charts, I'm alive. Buy low, sell high, just to surf and survive. Oh, let it roll, let it breathe. Feel the rhythm of the market in the sea. Yeah, we glide, never fight the tide. Just a trader on the way. Let it ride. Sometimes it's slow like a flat
1151. I'm still trying to. I'm entering now, but I kind of want to wait until it hits the 9 for hopefully a nice little rejection.
Sun on my face, breeze in my soul. Profit or loss, still I'm feeling whole. 'Cause it's more than the money, more.
Starting to break. There's the 600s right there. We'll take one out there just in case she decides to bounce on us.
More set up and I'm ready to go. Reclaim VWAP, now I see that sign. Last good ride before I close the line. Hitting my target, I'm done for the day. Shut it down, let the ocean play. Board in my hand, toes in the sand. Charts fade away, but I stick to the plan. Reflect on the trades as the sun goes down. Wins and the losses, I don't let them drown. 'Cause tomorrow brings a brand new tide. Another chance for a clean, smooth ride. I'm riding the tape like I'm riding the wave. NASDAQ flow, yeah, I'm feeling so brave. From the beach to the charts, I'm alive. Buy low, sell high, just to surf and survive. Oh, let it roll, let it breathe. Feel the rhythm of the market in the sea. Yeah, we glide, never fight the tide. Just a trader on the way. Let it ride. Yeah. From the charts to the shore, we stay free. Just a trader and the deep blue sea. Ride it up, ride it down, stay true. Market waves and the ocean too. Yeah, man. Charts on the
Huh.
screen.
Just seeing if something will break here. Nvidia's looking so weak. Qs are looking so weak, but they're forming a really slow kind of bull flag. SpaceX is pushing back up just a little, but it's at 139.50, so that's not really doing too much. ES is looking weak, but kind of same thing. There's a potential support point.
Wake up early, charts glow blue. NASDAQ moving, yeah, I'm watching the Q. VWAP line like a tide rolling. Patience in my mind, let the session begin. Coffee in hand by the lakeside dock. Price action ticking like the shoreline clock. Green candle rising, I don't chase, I wait. Discipline sharp, yeah, I regulate. Slow gains build, never rush the play. 1% better every day. From the screen to the sea, I align my mind. Freedom ain't luck, is designed with time. I'm living
New candle coming in 30 seconds here.
the sundown, trades going green while I'm cruising around. to the shore, man, I love this.
Come on, we got break the 616s here. See what kind of secondary trend line we got here.
Run wild, yeah, he always run around. They on the dock while I'm making my calls. Profit hit quick, now we play till nightfall. Duck slide smooth, little ripple in the breeze. Two goals.
There we go. Come on, we need to actually break.
Simple kind of life, but it feel like gold.
At least down to the 600s.
Flash is the life I hold. Stack it up slow, let the pressure release. Mind stay calm, it's the realest piece. Every small win, yeah, build that stack. Lake waves forward, ain't no looking back. I'm living that lake life, sun up to sundown. Trades going green while I'm cruising around. Wake, surf waves and the good vibes flow. Got my dogs, my ducks, yeah,
Yeah, we're starting to build strength now.
Financial freedom, yeah, I'm feeling so right. Stars on the water every single night. From the
What time
charts
is
to the
it?
shore, man, I
7
love this
seconds
view.
left.
Living life clean with my whole crew.
I don't like this starting to build a little strength though.
Ride the wave. Rock it, rock, 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 rock the wave. Rock, 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 rock the wave. Mark it up, mark it down. Still I never lose my crown. Balance sheet in my soul, not just money. I'm awake. Surf cutting through the weight. Every move deliberate I make. From the candles to the tide. Same rhythm, same ride. Used to rush, now I move. Feel
19, average candle size. Come on, let's get a friggin' dump. Why is it taking so long? Break the 600s here. Oh.
Same lane, I'm living that late life, feeling so free. Built it myself, now I just be me. Wake, surf, riding while the baseline roll. Financial peace deep in my soul. Back by my side, jet lead the way.
Come on, break the 600s.
Vibing all day, from the grind to the glow. Yeah, I made it through. Now I'm living this life like a dream come true. Yeah, man. Trade smart.
It's just right stuck there.
Lake breeze.
There you go.
Good energy. Ride the wave. Always.
So then you think we probably come at least down to the 580s.
Always. Yeah, man. Rise with the market. Rise with the sun. Sink. Sink or swim.
11:58. Man, this is getting too boring, guys. I think this is gonna be it for me pretty soon.
Every day. Don't be late.
NVIDIA just can't decide what it wants to do.
Started with a vision and the chart on the screen. NASDAQ moving, yeah, the candle stay clean. Hit record, now I'm talking my place. Trying to show the world better ways through the maze. No more guessing, no more chasing the hype. Teach risk management, teach them trade it right. From the losses to the wins, yeah, I'll show it all. If you stumble one time, get back up, don't fall. Every morning when the bell gonna ring, we go live, let the knowledge we bring. Real time moves, no edit, no trim. You either learn fast or you sink or swim. Sink or swim. Yeah, we live at the open. New York time, every day we in motion. Teaching the game, yeah, we breaking it down. From the small account, growing up to a crown.
Got a new 1 hour candle coming in just 45 seconds here.
No shortcuts here, just a long-term gift. From the charts to the life that you wanna live. I show you the way.
There we go. NVIDIA's finally pushing down just a little, but it still needs to kind of push through that zone.
Turned on, sun just rising, yeah, the session
Just a
comes
little
strong.
lower. If we could get it just push through the 206.65s.
Show 'em patience, yeah, the edge
20
and the
seconds
twist.
left.
By luck, it's a plan you refine. Discipline sharp like a well-cut line. People in the
5 seconds.
If you stay locked in, you gon' learn to climb. Every candle got a story within. Stay afloat strong, don't let emotion win. Sink or swim. Yeah, we live at the open.
Pretty muted 1 hour candle so far too. We have looking at the previous 3 hour candles though. Previous 3 1 hour candles. I almost wouldn't be surprised if we come all the way back up to 720. Hopefully it just breaks right here and pushes down.
Echo, learn it, earn it. Wait for the setup, don't force it, confirm it.
Alright gang, it's slowing down a little bit too much. I think that's it for me. It's 12 o'clock. It's time to go enjoy the day. But I love you guys all to death. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I had a little bit of fun. Please don't hesitate to like and subscribe. It means the world to me. As we get bigger and better, we can do bigger and better things. And we're working on something else that's really stinking exciting in the background. Ooh. I don't even want to jinx it yet. But we're working on something. If it works out, it's big. It's real big. And it would honestly be an absolute dream. Hopefully we'll be able to talk about it soon. I love you all to death. I'll see you again tomorrow bright and early, 9:20. Stay green, stay loving life, stay positive. And we'll see you soon.